Hello friends, welcome. So new week, today Monday, and lot of news for you today. So I'll be quickly starting it, and lot of AI tools also will be covering in this week. So already one yesterday I have uploaded, and now also in Hindi one AI. That's of course on AI, but on a different topic. So I'll be uploading it in the next 2 hours and all. So what I have yesterday uploaded is a very important application, is a short script that is manipulating using means reading the image and developing blog post, and that I have uploaded yesterday, and we will discuss little bit of on that. Then I will tell you about the what is going to come up. So that also I will tell you, and just on now in Hindi I will uploading one podcast. What's that? This is it is not that everywhere you will be using AI. So where AI cannot be used, or artificial intelligence we cannot use on that. So that is what we are planning for thing. And this week also we'll continue on more on the AI tools, and in Python how we will integrate it. Say you have a photo, a picture, I can ask the your AI tool to write a blog post what is based on that image. Say you have given a event photo, it will create a blog post for you. Now even these models can read your handwritten content also. Say on a notepad you have written some text on it, so it can read the text what you have written. And not only that, if some pre-printed text is there also, it can identify what is pre-printed and what you have written in your own handwriting. So it can recognize that also. That will open up a big idea for you. So I hope you can continue that. Say you have lot of paper invoice or daily some log report, something on paper it is there. So what you can do is those things you can pass on to the this Gemini API tool. So and it can create a structured data for you. Say if you show a invoice, it can take out what's the tax part, what is the sales part, what is the discount part, everything it can take out and give you a structured data. So that's the big advantage of it. So what is the date of the invoice, it can recognize all those details and give you a structured Excel also it can create for you. So those applications slowly will work more on it. So we have started last week with a simple text based AI tool developed in the Colab platform. Then now yesterday what you have uploaded is that is on a working on a image. So image gives you a lot of it opens up the scope. Now I will just take you to the particular blog post where you can download the source code and the links are all this what I am discussing, link is there in the description, you can use that also. Let's just go, let me just see, I can make it ready and take you there. Yeah, was this page, this URL is there in the description also. Here is the link for the video reading handwritten content Gemini API, but this entirely works on the Colab platform. Colab, the Google's free cloud based Python platform. You just need a Google account to work on Colab. So I hope you can watch this easily, and it's very easy, you can just run the code. And if you are not sure about, here is the link to GitHub, you can click this, download it, or there at the top you will have a Colab link and you can land it. Here it is, the entire Colab script is here. This is what I have uploaded. This is my handwritten text, so it has identified and given me the output. So click this, go to GitHub at the top. I can just show you the process here also. Here is the GitHub link, it is opening, you can download, save it to your file and everything, entire as a notebook you can download it. So and here will be the Colab link, so in your Colab you can open it up. Now you just see here, meanwhile all the steps are there. So how you will read a image, how you will convert the image data to image object, Gemini, and this is the one we simply take the text, describe the image, so it gives you the image and it's a description. Then we are doing the both the parts, display the image and get a response. Say tell me what this function is or what this, that you can do. After that, below that, today we have added a little bit of code here. This is, you can use this in your local system also. So it is not that the Colab. So Colab has a slight difference is there because it stores the your API key in a, here is the Google's way of storing the API key. That's what we have discussed in this video also. And if you are running it in your local system, here is the VS code I have written. Any other platform also you can read that. Here the advantage is you can store your API key, the credential or API key in a environment variable. Here the conditions for the environment variable I have written. This is not in the video, it is not there, the environment variable part where you will use your local system and all, where you can use it. This part we have recently means today only we have added it. That video was uploaded yesterday. So I can, if you want, I can create another one in the local Visual Studio Code. I can show you also that one, so you can check it. That in the local application, when you develop it, it helps in a lot of way, because many things will be there in your drive. Say you have a lot of images in a folder, it one by one you can pass it and ask it to write a blog post, do any processing, remove the background, many things it can do for you. So that's the idea. Namaste Pratik. Okay, sorry, let me just back here again. So here you just see, and there is a FAQ also. You can watch the FAQ. So read this. What are the questions? You have many more questions. Use the comment section below to post it. And please hit the like button and you subscribe. So if you are not subscribed, and we are regularly coming at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time in the evening hours. So to discuss, interact with you, take your feedbacks on our videos and all. So I will request you, please. Please tell your friends also to join, so you can have a very highly useful discussion, and daily we are coming and discussing here also. That's all, friends. So this week entirely we will be planning for more AI tools. And one more thing, the advantage of running it in your local desktop environment, one thing is in the Kinter application also you can integrate it. Hope you can understand that. Imagine because ultimately it's a Python code. So once you are able to run it in a local, put a front end Kinter application, a desktop application, where like you enter a prompt, you will be entering any text prompt there, and at the background it will be interacting with the Gemini, and it will give you the output like your own chat box. Now what happens, you can even upload a image and ask the Kinter application to create a blog post, so it will give you a blog post. That also you can develop. And not only that, even you can integrate with the database. Say you have lot of images in a SQLite database, one by one you can write a blog post, or you have lot of text, you can say some blogs are there, you have recorded it, you can ask the API to give a title, description, matching keywords, many things you can do it. Once you are able to read the local directory and all, that's what you have already seen also. So you can, based on that, you can pass on one by one inside a loop the information, and the Gemini will return you all the whatever you want. So that way you can build your own applications. So the sky is the limit. Once this will give you a platform to enhance your own ideas and create some applications, and let us know also what you are planning to create. That is the idea, friends. You see that whatever video yesterday I have uploaded, all links are there in the description. You need not have to worry about this link also. Whatever I have shown you, that is also there. And whatever ideas come to your mind, we'll continue with that. Probably that reading a invoice, creating structured data, that's a very good application. You can see I have lot of photographs with me on different locations. I am thinking use this, and automatically it will create blog post using that. I will see. Another idea is create a auditor which can automatically crawl any page, pull the data, then feed it to the Gemini, and see the outcome, whether it is user friendly, the content is correct or not, anything you can ask it. So that's what we will be working, friends. This week we will be working on the lot of AI tools, Gemini in particularly, and same thing by using ChatGPT API also we can develop that. So tell your friends also to join, and these are all the plans for this week. I hope we'll be able to execute, and some 2-3 questions were there. I have answered them. So there were questions on a Kinter. When you click it, how the text written on a entry box will vanish. That's because it's a string variable used at the background. You can anytime change the string variable to blank, or you can integrate with the event. There was another question was how you will create a Excel Google's sheet, Excel data, take it, search, edit, all those things you can. Because Google search, suppose the Excel page we are reading it, we create a list out of it. Once we have a list, anything we can do. We can go to a particular element, then replace it, update it, search. It's a Python site. And then finally what's the outcome is, we can just pass it on and save it in the Excel again. So this is how we can continue working on it. These are the two questions, if I remember, that was there yesterday. Today morning I was answering those questions. And similarly, if you have any questions on whatever we discuss and here and below the tutorial, feel free to post your questions, ideas, doubts, suggestions, whatever you have. You please post it. We'll accordingly work on it. That's all, friends. Now it is 11 minutes already. I usually come for 5 to 10 minutes. So hope you are doing well, and we'll discuss more also. Please tell your friends also to join. Hit the like button and subscribe if you are not subscribed. Tell your friends also to join at the 7:30 evening hours Indian Standard Time. You can we can interact on many areas. So on this Python, web development, AI tools, right now we are focusing. We have completed a series on Kinter also. So your Python basics also, we have a lot of applications and all. So you can tell your friends also, those will be benefited by this discussion. Hope you will join me tomorrow also, if no more questions is there. Pratik, thank you once again. If no more questions are there, we'll close the session for today. Hope you all will be joining me again tomorrow, same 7:30, and watch those AI tools and try to develop those applications. It will be highly useful, because once you start developing applications, your learning will be faster. That's the idea, friends. Hope you join me tomorrow also. Thank you. Thank you for watching.